Leash Canine Training 30A, and today I have 1-year-old German Shepherd Apollo joining us for our 2-week board and train program. Apollo spent the first 6 months of his life with a pack of 27 other dogs. 6 months ago, his owners rescued him, and they would like to be able to take him everywhere with him, but right now his anxiety is so high. He gets very nervous and uncomfortable in unfamiliar environments. He also pulls on walks. He sits on his terms. He has no idea what place is, nor does he know what down is. After 14 short days, Apollo will become confident and comfortable in new environments. He will also be reliable, focused, and obedient. Most of all, you'll see him enjoying his new off-leash freedoms.
until we sent him with Megan. I was very nervous to send him with Megan. However, she kept me updated throughout the whole thing. I got pictures 3 or 4 times a day and videos and text messages. She made everything so much easier and so much less stressful on me.
Yeah.